What is going on? If you own a pressure washing business and you are trying to grow and scale it, then you are in the right place. Today, what I'm actually going to talk about is a free marketing strategy that any pressure washing business, really any business, can actually use to get more clients. Now, this is a pretty basic strategy. It's very simple, but I don't hear many people talking about it. It doesn't cost you any money, maybe a little bit. We'll get into that. But it also works on autopilot. Like once you set this up, it can just keep working for you in the background to bring in new jobs, new clients, and help you continue to grow your business. Now, again, this can work for anyone. So if you're just starting or if you've been in the business for a while, this is a strategy that can work. And this strategy is known as what's called joint venture. So what is joint venture? Joint venture is simply where you are partnering with another business. And this other business also serves customers, but they serve customers that are similar to your customers. They just don't serve the same services to those customers, right? So if you are a pressure washing company, joint venture doesn't necessarily, now it can work this way, but it doesn't necessarily mean that you are partnering with another power washing company. It would more so be a pressure washing company partnering with a landscaping company. They offer different services, but they could be serving very similar clients. Once you have identified a good potential partner, it's just a matter of actually setting up a partnership that is mutually beneficial for both you and the company that you are working with. From there, you're basically helping each other grow your businesses, right? It's a very simple strategy. I don't hear people talking about it. The awesome thing is that I mentioned it's free, might cost you a little bit. You might have to buy someone a coffee or lunch to set up that initial meeting, actually get things going to start the partnership. But from there, it's free to do. It may take a little effort if you're cross-promoting each other's businesses, but pretty much free, right? And on top of that, while you're literally cleaning and or doing whatever the heck you're doing, the other company could be promoting your services. So it literally can work on autopilot for you and vice versa for them. While they're doing whatever they're doing, you can be promoting their services. So it's something that's mutually beneficial, works for both companies, and basically helps you both grow each other's businesses. So a lot of benefits to this. I don't hear it talked about a whole lot. It's something that we actually accidentally fell into in our company just through networking and meeting other business owners. We developed these strategies and ended up getting to where we had 8 of these like legit joint venture partners. And I say legit, it wasn't like one-off stuff. Like we were constantly cross-promoting in whatever way we set up the partnership. In the minimum that one of those 8 brought in, the absolute minimum was $20K in revenue to our business. So these things can be very lucrative to set up and worthwhile to actually do. Now, I will say in our Power Promotions training, which I will link below, we have a whole section on just joint venture, how to set it up, how we actually set up the meetings, what we send to people, so on and so forth, and a bunch of other stuff about marketing and lead generation for your power washing business. So I would definitely recommend checking that out. But again, I just wanted to cover this strategy really quick because it's not something I hear a lot of people talk about. It's a almost free strategy. It works on autopilot and it can really help you grow your business. So I do hope this was super helpful. As always, if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. If you have video ideas, leave them in the comments. And please like and subscribe because we will be putting out more videos to help you grow your power washing business. So other than that, I will see you in the next one.